Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, Effective Collaboration. In this video, experts discuss the importance of effective collaboration for a program manager and provide tips to improve collaboration.
Collaboration really is one of the key roles of the program manager. The PM is really all about making sure that everyone on the team is working together and working towards a common goal. It's important for the program manager to understand where there are gaps in collaboration. So for example, if one team member needs to be working with another team member, but they're working in isolation, the program manager needs to step in and ensure that those people are talking and that they're working together. Sometimes the program manager may need to set up a meeting to get everybody in a call or in a room and talk through a problem. Sometimes you just need to suggest as a PM that maybe you need to reach out to this salesperson, or maybe you need to reach out to this engineer and work a little bit more closely with them to get your needs met. So collaboration from a PM perspective really is about moving that team forward, keeping everybody working together, and ensuring that the project is moving in the right direction.
Effective collaboration is important to a program manager because of all the different parts that there are to a program. You're not only going to probably have multiple projects running in parallel, but you'll also have multiple teams and groups working as you deliver the program, whether it be development team, sales team, marketing team. You're going to be working across multiple teams that are providing input in very different ways and very different types of input. And so collaboration and ensuring a healthy and comfortable space for everybody to work within the program team and within each individual project team is very important. You're also going to want to make sure that people feel able to speak up, that they don't feel like they're not being heard. You'll want to ensure that the communication stream is flowing as well as possible.
Effective collaboration is important for a program manager because that's how you get the value of the program. If you're not collaborating, the likelihood of you meeting your goals are very low. Make sure that you are collaborating with your teams. Make sure they understand what they're supposed to be doing, what the goals of the program are, and make sure that they understand the goals of the program. And executives, of course, at all levels, make sure that you are collaborating with the program team, stakeholders, executives.
One of the key aspects of a program, the reason why programs are born and approved, is because there is an expectation that there are going to be benefits that will be gained not only for the firm, but also for the individuals who participate in that particular program as well. Collaboration is a win-win activity. It involves building relationships, communication, and trying to understand the individuals that you are working with as well. Try to create an environment where people feel free to go ahead and share their thoughts, where people are not fearful of sharing any issues that may develop. And by all means, let people know that you are always there to go ahead and support them and that you appreciate their support as well. In the end, collaboration is win-win. You want to create a relationship with your stakeholders where you win, the project and the program is a success, and where they win, they feel that they achieved something important.
Collaboration means creating and maintaining synergy across stakeholders, both internal and external, and to optimize benefit and delivery and realization. For a program manager, synergy is essential to ensure everything is aligned and working towards a common goal.
What tips can you provide to improve collaboration?
Tips on improving collaboration are having team building activities, engaging with the team, and engaging with your stakeholders, just leaving all lines of communication open and make sure that teams are talking. A lot of times you have dependencies within programs, of course, and making sure that they're collaborating, that those lines of communication between teams, with your stakeholders and with the executives remain open.
If collaboration on a team isn't happening, there's many things that a PM can try to do to improve that collaboration. When I was working as a program manager, I would always try to figure out what was breaking down. Why wasn't collaboration happening if it needed to happen? So I always tried to avoid getting too involved, but I would always make suggestions, asking specific questions about where there's a gap in knowledge and how this other person might be able to fill that gap can really help have the person come to an awareness themselves of the need of collaboration. Regular daily stand-ups always help to improve collaboration. If you're meeting at least 10 to 15 minutes every day, things will come up naturally that people will need to connect on. And then, of course, there's always offline tools. Keeping a dashboard or a spreadsheet with status is a kind of a passive way to make sure that everybody's aware and everybody's on the same page with regards to the status of the project.
Tip number 1 is be accessible. Email is a wonderful tool, but do not manage your end-to-end program on a daily basis using only email. The Project Management Institute states that the best form of communication, the richest form of communication, is face-to-face. Try to develop a relationship with your stakeholders. Try to meet with them periodically. If you work in an area where everyone is working together, that's very, very easy. But even in a virtual environment, periodically do a team or a Zoom meeting one-on-one just to simply check in and find out what the team is doing, what the stakeholder is doing, if they have any blockers, and if there's any way you can support them as well. Being accessible and employing an acronym I refer to as MBWAT, Management by Walking and Talking, will enhance your ability of developing a successful relationship and paving the way for a successful program.
Tips to improve collaboration is understanding and having common meetings with the stakeholders and ensuring that it's time well spent for them. Having team members in too many meetings or meetings where they're not inputting anything or getting anything out of the meeting will lead to frustration and a decrease in morale. Understanding working hours, whether you're all in the same time zone or not. If you're in a work from home or hybrid situation, making sure that people are available when they say that they're available. And then also if you're having in-person meetings, whether hybrid or you're back in the office, making sure that those meetings are scheduled at the right times of the day so as not to be overly impactful and disruptive during the team's day.
To improve collaboration, let us start by fostering open communication, encouraging regular updates and feedback sessions to keep everyone on the same page. Using collaborative tools and technology can help the process even better. Platforms like project management tools like MS Project, Jira, Confluence, Asana, Zoho can streamline communication and document sharing, making collaboration more efficient. Also, investing in team building activities, outdoor sports, events, organizing events and hackathons or marathons also help build the team activities and encourage the team members to have trust and cooperation. By promoting communication, leveraging collaborative tools, and building strong team relationships, we can create and maintain synergy across stakeholders, thereby optimizing the delivery and realization.